Hey there. I know this is your first day back from winter break, and you are likely exhausted because you have been up late into the wee hours of the night, binge watching on YouTube and Netflix and doing whatever else and sleeping till noon and drinking too much coffee and overdoing it on popcorn and candy. And it must have been fantastic. And now you're asked to transition back into school, and I know it's hard for you, so I am recording the steps that you need to follow so that your teenage angst brain can follow them step by step and redo the video as often as you need. So, what you're doing today is you are turning in progress on your reading log. And so, this should reflect the books that you have read and finished since the start of trimester two, which was right around the beginning of December. Okay, so, whoopsie. What you're going to do this is you're going to go into the 40 book challenge and you're going to find the thing that says reading log check number 1. Go ahead and open that, and then down here where it says view assignment, click that. Okay, so you'll get a screen that looks like this. So here, and I got to put on the reading glasses back for this one. It says attach your individual reading log and then turn in. Follow the steps in the attached video. That's this. You're here. You made the video. On how to attach and update your reading log. In order to earn credit for this assignment, your individual reading log will need to show progress this trimester towards the 40 book challenge. So what that means is that you have to have been reading books to get credit for this. But either way, let's attach it because this assignment will change and you'll need it again in the future. So your individual reading log is that PowerPoint, slideshow, Google Slide thing that we created in the fall. You're just making sure that your updated work is now attached to this assignment. So we're going to go over here where it says your work, and we're going to click where it says add or create. Okay. On here, you're going to choose Google Drive because it's in your Google Drive. It's just not attached here. Okay. So we select that. And then you'll get all this stuff here, and likely you won't see it here, and you'll have, mine shows up because I just updated this a little while ago. But you're going to go up here and you're going to type in individual reading log. Okay, and when you hit enter, everything that you've done should show here. So I'm looking for the one that has my name on it. It's Hanby Newman. I'm the example here. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to click insert. Okay. By doing this, you will have attached this document to this assignment, which means you're in really good shape and you're almost done, but you're not quite done. Okay, so go ahead and open this. Close that part. Okay, so what you want to make sure is that the books you have finished this trimester, so since like December 7th, that they are on here. Okay, so for me, for example, one of the books that I read is, and it's on here represented by genre. So I read a book called Maybe He Just Likes You. Okay, and it's realistic fiction. So what I want you to do for your trimester 2 books is highlight, or at least for this assignment, highlight them, or better yet, let's make them bold. So here's the title, Maybe He Just Likes You. It's by Barbara D. If you haven't read this, you're in for a treat. It's 304 pages. It's realistic fiction. I finished it on December 26th. I stayed up until the wee hours of the night, and it was done. Okay, so what I want you to do is highlight the books that you have finished since the start of second trimester, and then go ahead and do Control B to make them bold. You can also find the B up here. Either way. So that's what I'll be looking for. And when you're finished with this, obviously go back to your reading log check and turn it in. Turn it in. And you're all set. Go read your book. Have a good day.